Everyone's chasing money. But the people who actually get rich, they are not chasing, they are attracting. Because they understand one hidden truth: attention is the new currency. In 2025, wealth doesn't flow to the hardest worker, it flows to the most noticed one. From digital creators to CEOs, attention has become the fuel that powers fortune. The more people listen, the more opportunities appear. The wealthy trade in silence. They use systems, stories, and strategy to pull attention, not beg for it. They build brands instead of resumes. And once attention is earned, money follows automatically. Value before visibility. Don't chase fame, create impact. Trust beats trends, fast fame fades, credibility compounds. Convert curiosity. The smart turn views into assets, books, products, businesses. The rich study what people scroll on. Attention is free, but mastering it makes you financially untouchable. Call to action. So ask yourself, are you spending your attention or investing it? Because in the new economy, attention builds empires.